Welcome to Ofada King Kitchen. This is your girl Ayotomiwa Caulcrick. Today I'll be teaching you how to make shredded beef sauce in a very simple way. Things you can find around your kitchen. So here we have my olive oil, very little. We have my milk. We have our bell pepper. You can use any color. I mix the 3 colors. Now we have our shredded chicken, and we have our chili, blended chili. I mixed red rodo and green rodo, and we have our dark soy sauce, and we have our chopped onions. Let's go there. Okay, so here we have our pepper, have my olive oil, my chopped have our shredded chicken. Okay, we have our soy sauce. I have the dark soy sauce here. If you don't really like soy sauce, you could use your all-purpose seasoning and your salt. But I prefer to use soy sauce. Okay, then I have my blended chili. So I'll allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so I'll be adding ginger and garlic juice. Okay. So at this point, we leave it to slow cook. This should be ready for the next ingredients in 5 minutes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now our sauce is getting ready. I'll pour the bell pepper inside. Nice color. Then I forgot to say I added a little corn flour to the milk so that it will serve as a thickener. Okay. You really need to be very careful because of the cornstarch in the milk. It thickens up really fast. If you think your sauce is too thick, you can add a little water. Okay. Shredded chicken sauce is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you like our videos. Thank you. Have a good day.